I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Hi guys. So hubby and I are getting ready to get out. We have so much to do, so many errands to run. The first thing we're gonna do is clean the car and come home and start spring cleaning. Because in the DFW area, it is really, really pretty in spring. And
Well,
I don't want
almost.
to, it's nice
It's
outside.
still great.
No, but it's not spring yet.
I know that.
So when we get the cleaning out the way, Shippo, please.
He agreed with me.
So we're gonna get the cleaning out the way so we can enjoy our spring. I know that's just call for me, y'all.
Okay.
I don't have time.
Okay, baby. Forget the bird. Forget the bird.
I don't want him to feel he's meant.
Yeah.
Oh, he said something. Woo. Anyway, we're getting ready to go clean the car, guys. Okay, guys. So, like I was saying, we're gonna try to go out, come back, get a little head start on our spring cleaning. And when I say spring cleaning, I mean we're gonna just kind of take care of a lot of things that we have not. That's basically almost been neglected for a while. And one of those things are the car in the house. As you can see behind me, I got stuff on the couch. Yeah. But first the car, because we going out, might as well go by the car wash, save some time, go by the car wash, and ooh, wait.
Don't come with that. Baby, hurry up. Baby.
Okay. Anyway, back to what I was saying. We're gonna go to the car wash and come back home and take care of some business. Okay? All right. See, I'm just chillaxing, Mama. Got some new toys in my cage, and I'm just chillaxing. Huh, peekaboo? Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see Chippo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see Chippo. Hey, go Chippo, go, go, go Chippo. Go, you little mad at me. Go Chippo, yeah. Get all the little stuff I'm gonna take with us to the car for cleaning of the car. I'm gonna get that out of the way. That way we can focus on the house. Hopefully the car is not too bad, but I'm be honest, it's been neglected a little bit. So, hubby, you ready? Okay, guys, we're out. Okay, guys, so hubby and I are in Walmart, just picking up a few things, trying to pick up some screen protectors for my phone, as well as a little case. So I think this one will be fine. Yes, thank you. So, we are still browsing, and pretty good to come in the morning. There's not too many people in. That way we can kind of browse and take our time.
Moon, I'm there soon. I'm leaving quite early tomorrow morning. Undercover, baby, is what you ask of me. Soon I'll be disguised, shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride, I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. I'm no longer scared. Love brings me comfort. I'm filled with light. Tiptoe dance with me.